In this video, I'll show you how you can set up Metapixel on your Shopify store very easily. Before set up Metapixel on your Shopify store, we should follow 4 easy steps so that you can understand easily. And your step 1 will be create Google Tag Manager account, and step 2 will be connect Google Tag Manager account with your Shopify store, and step 3 will be enable data layer in your Shopify store. And then step 4, that is you can create a trigger, tag and variables that you need. So let's start with step 1, that is how you can create Google Tag Manager account. I believe you already know how to create Google Tag Manager account because it's very simple, easy method, so you can create easily. And let's move on step 2, that is how you can connect Google Tag Manager account with your Shopify store. So before connect Google Tag Manager account with your Shopify store, you have to just copy your head section code. So if you click on this option, you can see here is two code. First you have to copy header section code, then close this, and then I'm going to set up Metapixel for this demo website. So then after copy this code, you have to go your Shopify store backend as like this, and then click on online store, and here you can see some option, but you have to click on three dot icon here and click edit code. Then you can see some option like this. You have to just paste this code, like this code here, and you can see here is already instruction here, like paste this code as high in the head section. So copy this code and then paste after head section. So I'm just paste here this code. Yeah, done. And then you have to just click on save. Before click on save, we have to paste another code, that is body section. So copy body section code and find here body tag. So if you scroll down a little bit, you should see body opening tag. Here we can see here the closing head tag and opening body tag. So we have to just paste this code here. So I'm going to paste this code here and then click on save. Okay, so our step 2 is complete, that is install Google Tag Manager with your Shopify store. Now we can enable data layer easily, but how we can enable data layer I'll show you later part. So let's move on step 4, that is how you can create tag, trigger and variable. And don't worry, I'll show you how you can easily enable data layer on your Shopify store. So after connect Google Tag Manager with your Shopify store, if you open your Google Tag Manager account and then click on preview, and here you have to paste your website URL, then click connect. As we can see, our tag assistant is connected, and if I go tag assistant here, we can see some event, like if I go any product page, we can see view item, and if I select view item, if I go data layer variable, we can see some information here, right? Okay, before set up tag, trigger and variable, we should know what we want to track, right? So in this video I'll show you how you can track view item, add to cart, checkout and purchase. So if I go tag assistant, here you can see view item, and let's purchase one product for testing purpose so that we can create variable and trigger. So if I click add to cart and go view cart, then if I check out this product, and as you know, you have to fill up this form. Yes, as you can see, here is purchase complete. Now if I click on this extension, and this extension name is data layer checker plus, you can see some purchase event here, see, like GTM underscore purchase, and some other event here like begin checkout. Also you can see some event here available. So what we need to do, we need to first create some trigger in Google Tag Manager, then we can create variables and create our tag, right? First we have to create some trigger like add to cart, checkout and purchase. Okay, so for that, please go your Tag Manager account, then click on trigger section, and then just click new, select trigger configuration, and scroll down. Here you can see custom event. You have to select custom event, then here you have to write your event name, like which event you want to track. And for this video I'm to track view item, add to cart, checkout and purchase. Okay, and what is the view item? View item means when someone visit your product page, it's a view item, as we know. So to create view item trigger, first we have to check which event fire here. Okay, so if I scroll down and if I select view item, you can see here is DataLayer dot push event. This event name is GTM underscore view item. So you have to copy this event name like this and paste here like GTM underscore view underscore items, and then you can write your trigger name, like it's a view item trigger. As Facebook event name, it's a view content trigger. Okay, so you can write here view content, or if you want you can write here view item trigger. So I like to write here view content trigger and then save this trigger. We have to wait some time here, and then our one trigger creation is done. Now we have to create another 3 trigger. Another one is for add to cart, then checkout, and final step is purchase. Okay, so to create view item, already we create this. So to create add to cart event, you have to just copy this trigger name and just copy it, and here you can change your trigger name like add to cart trigger, then change here event name, and here if you check which event file here for add to cart, you can see DataLayer.push event name is GTM underscore add to cart. Okay, so copy this and just change here your event name and change here your event name, then save this. Okay, our 2 trigger creation is done. Now we have to create another 2 trigger, that is checkout and purchase, right? So let's copy another trigger and change here your trigger name like checkout, and here also you need to change your event name. If you go tag assistant and check here which event fire here, you can find you can't see here any event, right? Because of recently Shopify DataLayer update. So as we know, we can't see checkout and purchase event here. So we can check from here, don't worry. If you install this extension like DataLayer Checker Plus, you can easily see which event show here. If you click on this extension, you can see some event here like GTM underscore begin checkout. So you have to just write like this in this section, like event name, like it's a custom event. Okay, so first is GTM, then underscore, it's a begin checkout. Okay, done. Then you can save this trigger, and after save this trigger we have to create another one, that is purchase, and purchase is our main objective, right, for e-commerce business. And here we can copy it and change here event and change here trigger name, and trigger name will be purchase. After change your trigger name, you can write here your event name. As you can see here, if I click on this extension, we should see purchase event name is GTM underscore purchase. So we should write here GTM underscore then purchase, right? So I just write here quickly. After that, please click on save, and yes, our trigger creation is done. So congratulations, you have already created your trigger. Now you have to create some data layer variable, because we have some product and we have some product information like product price, product name, product ID. This kind of information we have to send to Facebook. Okay, and let's see what kind of information you have to send. If I open this checklist, you can see for view item you have to send this kind of parameter like content IDs, content type, contents, currency value, like this kind of data layer variable you have to create in Google Tag Manager account. Okay, so open your Google Tag Manager account and go variable section, then you can see user defined variables, click on new and variable configuration. Here you can see data layer variable, click on here, and here you can see data layer variable name. You have to paste here some variable name, like if I open this extension, and here you can see if I open view item, and here you can see some information of our product like currency, value, and item name, also item brand, category. This kind of information we can see here, right? This information we have to send to Meta. How we can send it? We have to create first data layer variable, then we can send it very easily. So to create this kind of variable, first open GTM account, and as you can see here, we already select this data layer variable template, and here we have to write to pick e-commerce currency. First you have to copy e-commerce and then paste here e-commerce, and then here you have to add dot. Okay, so I write here dot to pick currency, copy currency first, then paste here. It's our currency data layer variable, so save this variable. Then now you can write your data layer variable name. So I like to write here DL currency, that means data layer currency. Then save this variable, and let's check what kind of parameter we have to create. If I open this file, like currency value, right? So currency already we create, right? So we have to now create data layer variable for value. And so if I open this, and let's copy it to save my time, also your time. Okay, so rename this name will be value. So write here value, and here you can see to pick value we have to first copy e-commerce, then add dot, then paste this name like value. So I like to write here value. You can just copy and paste, but I know what will be this name. Yeah, value, right? Then save this variable. Then you have to pick some other information like content type, content IDs. To pick content IDs we should first create let's see what kind of parameter we can create. Yes, we have to create e-commerce items variable first, because under item section here is the item IDs, right? So first create e-commerce dot items. So here already has e-commerce, we should now write here items, because we want to pick this variable like e-commerce dot items. Okay, and then rename your variable name like DL items. So I like to write here items, and then save the save these variables. Okay, so 3 variable creation is done. Now we have to create another one, that is transaction ID. So how we can create that one? If I go here, you can see after purchase our product, if I click on this extension and select our event like purchase, here we should see our transaction ID. So if I expand this, and here you can see e-commerce, then transaction ID. So first will be e-commerce, then add dot, then paste this name like transaction ID. So I like to copy this, and we can just easily copy this variable, copy this, and just paste here transaction ID, and then rename your variable name. This variable name will be transaction ID. So just copy and paste. So variable creation almost done, but we have to create another some variable for Facebook. So go template section, and you can see variable template, click on search gallery, and here you have to search Facebook parameter generator. So write it Facebook parameter generator, and then click add to workspace, and just click on add. Okay, it's almost done. Now again go variable section and click new variable configuration, then select Facebook parameter generator, and here you can see array of object field. Here you have to select your DL items. Okay, so I like to add here DL items, I mean our items variables, and then you can see what to return. First we have to return contents. Okay, to return contents, first scroll down. Here we can see some input field. Here we have to write some data layer variable. To write here, you can just go tag assistant and select your view item event. Here you can see item ID. Item ID in GA4 schema language item ID, but in Facebook it's a maybe content product ID. So first copy item ID from here and then paste here your product ID, item ID, and this template generate data layer schema for Facebook. So don't worry, you have to just copy item ID here, and product name will be this one. So item name is for GA4 name, and product name for Facebook. Okay, so just convert it, and product price, so copy product price, this one, product price, product quantity, so copy this quantity option. Then after that click on save, and here you can write your variable name, like it's a FB, like it's a meta underscore contents, right? So we can write here meta contents, then click on save, then scroll down, copy this one because we have to create some more variable, and copy it, scroll down, here you can see content IDs, select content IDs, and now you don't need to change anything here. You can just change option here and change your variable name, like meta contents, it will be meta content IDs, right? So I should write here meta contents IDs, so I can write here content IDs and then save it. Okay, our variable creation is done. Now we should create tag. Okay, so to create tag, first open your event manager and then just copy your metapixel ID, and I believe you can easily create dataset ID. So after get dataset ID, just copy it and open Google Tag Manager account. Now our first tag will be Facebook page view tag, and Facebook page view tag for connect meta with our website. It's a page view only. Okay, so first new, select tag configuration. Here you should find Facebook pixel ID, and if you can't see here, you have to just click discover more tag template, and then search here Facebook pixel. Okay, you can see here is Facebook pixel by Facebook archive. You have to just select this and just add to workspace, add, then it's automatic selected. So I like to paste here Facebook pixel ID, and then scroll down, select triggering all pages, and here is already selected page view, and here you don't need to pass any additional parameter and you don't need to do anything here. Just paste here your pixel ID and select all pages because it's our page view tag, and page view tag means it's connect our website with event manager. Okay, so just copy it, just save it, and write here your pixel name, like I like to write here meta page view tag. Okay, so meta page view tag. Okay, our page view tag creation is done. Now if I go my website and refresh this page, and if I click on this extension, that extension name is metapixel helper, you can see no pixel found on this site, right? Because we didn't submit our container. If I submit this container, we should see here is show like page view event. So let's see it's showing or not. So I like to submit this container first, so please submit it. And now if I go my website and refresh this page, we should see pixel helper is show here. We should see, yes, we can see here is already page view properly working. That means to integrate metapixel with our website, it's almost done, but we have to create another 4 tag for view item, add to cart, checkout, and purchase, right? To create new tag for view items, so please go your tag section, new, yes, tag, then click on new tag configuration. Here you have to select metapixel, but I like to copy and paste, so it's save you time to copy and paste, and it's understand very easily how it's work. Okay, so I just copy this tag, and here you can see copy of metapixel view meta page view tag. So I like to write here meta view content tag. So okay, so almost done meta view content tag names, and if I select here, you can see standard, and if you click this option you should see some another event here. It's a now I want to set up for view content. To view content setup, you have to find here view content event name, then scroll down. Here you can see triggering all pages, but it's our view content tag, so we should change our triggering name. So just click on pencil icon, remove this, select choose a triggering, and just select view content trigger. After that you can see here is some another option. You should send, like if you open my checklist, like for event name like view content, for view content event you have to send some parameter like content IDs, content type, contents currency value, and it's our wait I should work here. Okay, to send this parameter you have to select object properties, and here you can send some additional parameter as Facebook said Facebook needs some additional information of your product. So first copy contents IDs and paste this property name here, and then copy content type, it's a parameter for Facebook, and then contents. Okay, so copy this contents, then copy also currency, and if you need this checklist, please check out video description. I will provide there my this checklist doc file link, so you can easily open document link and just see what kind of parameter you have to send. Okay, and it's our view content tag. For view content tag, this kind of information we have to send, like content IDs. To send content IDs, select this option. You have to select meta contents ID that we create using step template, right? So select this one. To fill up content type, you have to write here manually. You can write product or you can write product group, so you can choose anyone. I just write here product, and then you can see contents. To pass content parameters, select this option again and select meta contents, this parameter. And to send currency, again select this one and send meta currency, and you can choose here DL currency. Okay, and then value, to select value, and you have to select meta value, and you don't need to do anything here. Almost done, just save your tag. Okay, our two tag creation is done. So now we need for add to cart tag. To create add to cart tag, please copy it because it's very easy. So copy this one, rename your tag name like add to cart tag, and select this and click on here. You need to change your event name from here. It's a add to cart. Scroll down, select object properties. For add to cart parameter, if you open my checklist, you can see you don't need to send additional parameter for add to cart event. So we can just we don't need to put here any additional parameter. Scroll down and just select your trigger for add to cart, and our add to cart trigger is this. Just save your tag. Our almost add to cart tag creation done. See, it's very easy, right? Yeah, it's very easy. And now we need to create another one tag for initial checkout, right? To create initial checkout, copy this again and rename your tag name like meta checkout tag. So meta checkout, and you have to change here your event name, that will be initial checkout, and scroll down, change your triggering, that will be checkout trigger. And for checkout event, you have to send some additional parameter. Let's check what kind of parameter you have to send. If I scroll down here, initial checkout, content IDs, num items, you can see num items, and to num items content type, here is no need content type, so remove this one for checkout and add here another properties, that is num items, and here you can easily select your num items variable as we create this one. And here everything looks good, so you don't need to change here anything else. Just save this tag. Yeah, our four tag almost creation done. Now final tag we need to create, that is purchase. To create purchase tag, copy this one like checkout tag, and here just remove your tag name like purchase meta purchase. So meta purchase name I already write here, and just change here your purchase event name like purchase. Okay, and select triggering, you need to select your purchase trigger. Then let's check what kind of parameter we have to send for purchase event. So if I open my checklist, we can see some parameter here like content IDs, content type. See, here is also we have to send content type parameter with purchase event. And see how many parameter here, 1 2 3 4 5 6, right? So 1 2 3 4 5 6 parameter almost done here. And here you need to just write product like product, and here you don't need to do anything. Click on save. Yes, after click on save, almost your tag creation is done. See, it's very easy, right? So let's repeat what we did. We just create Google Tag Manager account, then we connect Google Tag Manager account with our website. After that, we have to enable DataLayer variable, because without enable DataLayer variable, you can't send this kind of information like product price, product item, product information. You can't send without DataLayer variable, without enabling DataLayer. And after enabling DataLayer, what we did, we just create some trigger and then create some variables, and after that we just create some tag. Okay, so now if I open my website, let's check. If I open my website and if I go any product page, and this is view contents. Okay, this action name is view content in meta language. And if I open this extension, we can see here is only page view, and if I click on add to cart, it's add to cart event in meta, and here we also see only page view because we didn't submit our Google container, right? Yeah. And if I check out and purchase this product, we can't see any event here because we didn't submit this. So let's first we should submit this container, and here you should write your version name. Also you can ignore this. But I like to write here version name. So and then click on publish. After publishing, we can check everything is working properly or not. So don't worry, please watch full video, and if you think this video is helpful for you, please like the video, please. Okay, now close this, and also this one, just close this one, also this one we don't need here right now. Also close this. Okay, here you can see it's my event manager, as we can see. Now if I go test event, we should see our event manager properly receive data or not. So first select test event, and you should go preview from your Google Tag Manager account to see everything is working properly or not. And paste here your website URL, as we know how you can go preview mode. Here we should see connected tag assistant. Yes, connected tag assistant. Now if you go event manager, we can see here is show event page view, right? Yes, here is show page view. Okay, so now if I open any product page, like I like to open here, yes, this product, if I open like selling plan, and now if I go event manager, we should see view content event, and let's purchase this product and check finally everything is working properly or not. Yes, our order is complete. And now if I go event manager, we should see our event is yes, here you can see purchase event is showing here. And if I scroll down, you can see like value, total value, and parameter. We send 7 parameter. And here if I scroll down, you can see content IDs. Here is 2 content IDs for 2 product, and product content time is product. and content type is product. Also contents ID, here you can see quantity 1 and 1, product quantity was 2, right? So here you can see quantity 2, right? Item price is like this one, like everything is looks good. Okay, now let's talk about how you can enable data layer on your Shopify store, because it's a very important part for setup metapixel. To enable data layer on your Shopify store, please check out this video description. There I'll put my previous video link, and I have separate video for enabling data layer in Shopify store, so please watch that video and enable your data layer. After that, watch this video, so it will be helpful for you. So yeah, that's how you can set up easily metapixel on your Shopify store. I hope this video is help you. If you think this video is helpful for everyone, don't forget like, comment and share, and please subscribe to my channel. And if you need any help from my side, you can contact with me. Thank you.